guys, today we talk about how can you add description on your Wallapop app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on your down here. So when you click here on you, it's going to take you to this list. And all you have to do, you just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to next here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on edit profile. So then it's going to take us to next step here. Then you just go down here, you come here to description here, just click on it. So before that you have to get premium to show for you. So when you just have it here, so then you just click here on description here, then it's going to take you to add your description on your Wallapop app. When you down, go up of save, click on it, and it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.